हाय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? तो मेरा नाम है हिमानी। मैंने ये चैनल बनाया है द करियर कंपास 360 डिग्री। आई हैव बीन इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री ऑफ एचआर एंड रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम नाउ। 10 years हो गए मुझे। एंड आई सॉ इन द मार्केट दैट पीपल आर देयर जिनको जॉब चाहिए, हु आर डूइंग देयर डिग्रीज एंड इंटरव्यूज दे रहे हैं बट क्रैक नहीं हो रही है। इवन इफ आप क्रैक कर रहे हैं देन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग कॉल्स फ्रॉम द एचआर। आगे का फीडबैक नहीं मिल रहा है। यू आर एट द वर्ज ऑफ अप्रेजल बट अप्रेजल के लिए क्या है, क्या बोलना है, कैसे बात करना है, यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट। देयर आर फ्रेशर्स हु आर लुकिंग आउट इन द मार्केट फॉर जॉब्स बट उनको जॉब्स नहीं मिल रही है। दे आर पास्ड आउट, दे आर हंटिंग फॉर जॉब्स, दे आर गिविंग इंटरव्यूज बट कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। So I thought that why not to add and share knowledge about all these things if I have little bit about it. So now coming to my background, I am a recruiter, a full-time tech, non-tech recruiter, and I have been working with various domains and clients so far. मैंने IT काम किया है, मैंने non-IT, मैंने sales, construction, FMCG, everything like healthcare. I've been working into international markets also. I have working on domestic field as well. So I have got some exposure and experience in these line of years. So I thought of why not to share with you people. इसलिए मैंने ये channel बनाया है so that I can give you daily updates about where the job openings are. So if you are a fresher, you can try applying over there and you can get some job out of that. I can also help you out with some interview tricks and tips, what to say, what not to say. Because जब हम interview में जाते हैं, at times people think कि क्या बोलना है, क्या नहीं बोलना है, क्या पूछा जाएगा. So you don't know. So hence जो मेरे experience है मेरे साथ, because मैंने भी काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज अभी दिए हैं और इतने साल से आई हैव बीन इनटू दिस डोमेन, सो आई नो what kind of things client may ask if you are in IT, if you are a fresher. So I may help you out with all those things. I can also help you out with the courses which you, because right now the industry has changed little bit. uh, Gone are the days जब डिग्री पे आपको जॉब मिल जाती थी, बट नाउ इट इज ऑल स्किल बेस्ड एंड स्किल ओरिएंटेड. तो इन दैट केस कौन से कोर्सेज करने चाहिए अगर आप एक बी टेक हो, या अगर आपने अभी एमबीए किया है, या आप अभी सिविल कर रहे हो, तो कौन से कोर्सेज करने चाहिए. इवन इफ यू आर अ एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन बट आपको प्रमोशन नहीं मिल रही है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सेल इन योर करियर, तो आगे क्या करना चाहिए. तो मे बी देर आर सम कोर्सेज विच कैन हेल्प यू आउट to boost up, to get a promotion in your current company, or to fetch a company where you feel कि नहीं मुझे वहां जाना है, या or you are aiming to join some company like fan companies or anything like that. So I can help you out for courses also. Apart from that, I can also give you career guidance over here in this channel. I will help you out ki how or what you should do to boost up your career so that you can crack interviews, or you can get jobs in your dream companies and all. तो अबाउट दैट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, रिज्यूमे इज समथिंग जिसमें बहुत लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है. दे नो what they want but they don't know how to build and how to frame it. So I will help you out in resume building tricks also, pointers, what you should do, what you should not do. I will also try to bring up with the job industry trends जो अभी चल रही है. So whatever information I have, since I am now in 10 plus years of experience within this field where I'm handling clients, I'm managing vendors also on day-to-day basis. I am looking after the leadership mandates and the hiring as well. So I know how things work over there at that point of time also, and also for freshers, because I personally feel that at this point of time, people say that जॉब्स नहीं है मार्केट में. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जॉब्स है मार्केट में, बट आई थिंक पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू गेट थ्रू इट. That is one biggest challenge, because when I also was a fresher at some point of time and I was looking out for it, I was also, struggling getting the job. But now I feel that because of this channel, I can help some freshers, some good people who are looking out for change, who are looking out for job after their degree and qualification, but उनको मिल नहीं रही है job. So I will try to bring in all such content for you in this channel. Um, मेरा पहला वीडियो है ये लॉन्ग, बट मैंने सोचा कि बिफोर आई पुट अप मोर वीडियोज और एनीथिंग फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेटिव काइंड ऑफ थिंग, आई शुड डेफिनेटली bring it up with what I can provide you in this channel. So if you really feel that this can be a help to you in certain object, or maybe if you want to share it with your friends, you can share it with them as well, then you can please subscribe my channel so that you can, on a not daily basis, but yeah, in a weekly basis, I will try to bring up videos for you people, so that you can in a way gauge some information, and I will just try to contribute it to the society in a way where I feel that I know and I should definitely share it with my friends. So hope you will like the content which I will share. You may also recommend if you feel that you need some information about some career courses, interview, anything related to career guidance. You can definitely message me, connect me. I will share my email ID also over there. So let's hope, let's connect. And on this note, I'm saying a goodbye to you people. And मैं ऐसे वीडियो डालते रहूंगी. So please support, please like, please share, so that anyone who is looking out for change, or anyone who is really in need of job, he can get a help from this. Thank you. Bye.